Peace. I'm here with Julio. He's a mental health professional, and we're going to check out his office. We're here on the Black Block. All these businesses are Black-owned businesses, and we're going to take a trip to his office. We're going to ask him a few questions about what he does, and if you are having any mental health issues, he's a licensed professional. You can speak to him about them. We're going to take a trip to his office. So what's your official title?
So I'm a licensed clinical psychologist.
And how long have you been doing that?
I've been in the mental health field for about 25 years, but about 10 years as a licensed clinical psychologist.
Wow.
I've been working in clinical fields in hospitals and in the community and also in schools. Before I was a clinical psychologist, I was a school psychologist.
Wow.
So I work with children as well. At this point, I'm doing all ages, so yeah.
Okay, and let's show them your sign. Boom. Sabater Labs. Go ahead. His office is amazing. Okay, I'll follow you. And you offer service in English and in Spanish, right?
Yes, we're bilingual.
Great.
This is our office.
Wow. It's beautiful in here.
So welcome. This is Sabater Lab. Sabater Lab for sure, but let me tell you the name. It's Sabater Laboratory for Psychological Innovations Inc. To serve you, we are a mental health clinic for children, adolescents, families, and adults. And we do psychological services. We do counseling, assessment, and consultation. And we do that in English and Spanish.
Wow.
So, yeah, we love what we do.
Can you tell us a little bit about your space?
So we have a space here. The purpose of why we are, you may see a lot of colors and a lot of decorations. Many of them are cultural. So we have from Puerto Rico. I'm a Black Puerto Rican. So a lot of our culture is here. And I run this business with my wife, and she's also Puerto Rican. So we're doing this together. So you can see the flags, and the point is so when the client comes in to our door, they immediately connect with us. So
on a cultural level.
The culture is important. So we're sharing our culture. So there's no doubt, right? I am Puerto Rican, and it shows. And that's part of the trust. So that trust begins right there when you open the door.
Because often our people have to speak to medical professionals that don't look like them, don't talk like them, don't understand their background and some of the hardships that they go through. So I definitely know the importance of having someone that looks like you, be a medical professional, and that level of trust being built.
Yes.
And I see a sign that says PTSD right here.
Yes.
So you deal with all types of mental health issues.
Right, that's correct. And one of the conditions that we are specialized to treat is trauma. So we are certified to do trauma work, trauma counseling. Counseling is geared to help people recover from PTSD, or post-traumatic stress disorder. And what we do is to teach some strategies that help people improve the quality of their life. And so that they could live a life again, they could recuperate, recover, and
that's great.
Continue this.
And so if someone was dealing with any mental health issues right now, what would be your advice to them right now? If they're going through, let's say they're stressed or they're depressed, or due to COVID, the hardships of COVID, or let's say they lost a loved one, or they're just the regular daily stresses of life, what would be your suggestion? If I'm at home, don't know what to do, what should I do?
So if it is a mental health right now, it's something that a lot of people are having challenges. We're having challenges with mental health. So it's true. It's a reality. So if it is something that is a crisis, I mean, the first thing is to get help. And right now, there are ways to do that. So it used to be 911, right? If the crisis is very high, very intensive, that you need some help, it's okay to ask for help. So, but now they have 988. and it's a number that you dial that you will find not only help for your crisis, but also help if you are, like you were saying, feeling
Yeah.
stressed or depressed, and you need someone to speak to. There's a connection there that you could make and already available to connect, and they do it in different languages.
Yeah.
So it's something that is came out now, fairly recent, with the government to be able, because they realize also that mental health, there's help that needs
Yeah.
to come up, quickly, and so you could do that. That's one of the ways. If this is readily and it's night, late at night, you could do that. Also, you could call, go to a provider, right? Ask help,
Yeah.
for a provider. If you already have a connection with a mental health provider, it's suggestible that you seek that person, right? You're already connected. Also, through your PCP, your doctor, that's a way to ask for help in terms of getting some help from the mental health. And if not, also, if you are in the Black Bloc in this area, you could also reach out to us, Sabater Lab. We are here to help. There's some ways that we get the help, but we'll be able to talk to you and inform you and let you know how you could get the help from us.
So, and if they're in the area, how would they be able to contact you? Where's the address to this place? Do you have a phone number, an email? How would they be able to reach you?
Sure, yes. So online, you can do www.sabaterlab.org, and that's SABATER, lab.org. Phone number is 401-327-2442. Okay, 401-327-2442. And then our address is 243 Main Street, and it's suite number 3, Pawtucket, Rhode Island, 02860.
Well, thank you for your time.
All right.
And before we wrap it up, can you just show
Sure.
your beautiful
That's right. We
space?
gotta
Because it's
continue the
amazing.
tour. So we have this area. This is the waiting area that you would read it.
It's
and
beautiful.
Even some lifesavers there. Then we have here, it's like a lounge area, small one. Use your imagination. You can transport to a plaza in Puerto Rico. So you see the,
Yeah.
thing.
There's a lot of
The-
cultural things here.
Yeah,
And it's
this is
amazing.
some creativity here that we like to incorporate art in what we do.
Yeah.
So, and you can see up here. So it's like we are bringing the outside inside.
Yeah.
Give you that fresh. Oh, look, and then right here, one of our therapy rooms. So you can imagine we could do some counseling sessions in here, regardless of the age, all ages. So
Yeah.
it's a nice serene place that it gives you a break.
It's very homey.
Yeah.
Because when you go to most like a hospital or like even medical professional, it's just like white walls. It's not very bright. This is very, it's attractive. There's always something to look at as opposed to just a white wall, someone's degree, and then leather chairs.
Yes, thank you so much. Yes, it's true. And part of what we did was to make sure that the experience that people get here is a different experience.
Yeah.
Right? They walk in and expecting probably, like you said, the
Yeah,
white walls,
yeah.
and then they get this color. So
Yeah.
we hope to be able to provide that information.
Hold on, let me show this real fast. It's amazing. All right, well, we're at 8 minutes. I told you it was going to be 5 minutes.
All right.
Thank you for your time. And again, if they want to reach you, how do they do so?
So number is 401-327-2442, 401-327-2442, and then www.sabaterlab.org.
Thank you.
Thanks.